The American Heart Association is helping to fund research at Masonic Medical Research Institute to the tune of almost $500,000.
Wow. News Channel 2's Kirk Tupai tells us how that money is being spent and the people it impacts the most.
Doctors at the Masonic Medical Research Institute are working on finding ways to prevent and treat people with various diseases. MMRI's Dr. Maria Contreras says some of the top research is aimed at a disease that you probably already heard of.
Heart disease remains the #1 killer, even after all of the innovations and all of the devices and all of the medications for blood pressure have been developed. It still remains the #1 cause of death, even today.
The American Heart Association is funding some of MMRI's research. There's a total of 4 grants, but additional funding has been added, making this investment closer to $750,000, and it's likely because of who's being affected.
We're seeing an uptick in the number of individuals who are developing heart disease, and what's worse is that it's mostly in children now. So we think the next pandemic is really going to be an obesity or diabetes related cardiovascular disease as well. So these are the kinds of areas MMRI is starting to try to figure out how to work on.
Part of the funding allows students at Hamilton College to assist in the research.
We are doing the most fundamental basic research where ideas get tested, and it's the first part in a long marathon of the drug discovery process.
The drug discovery process can take years, and it's very expensive. But every time you go to the doctor and get a new medication, you can know that it was backed behind years of research and innovative ways of thinking.
So we spend a lot of time trying to understand why people get a disease, why they're sick. And in reality, if you think about things, the miracle is that most of us are healthy. So looking at why people are healthy when they perhaps should be sick is just as interesting.
You can hear about some of the new breakthroughs and treatments tonight at 6. In Utica, I'm Kirk Tupai reporting for News Channel 2.